Drennan, and the sentence the other day, like, 30th of January, like, that was the same thing again, like, it was, now all we want is the DPP to appeal the sentence, and we can't. Nobody will answer you.
Does it feel like you're hitting the wall?
Does. You have no control over anything in this justice system. Joe is called a process. That's all Joe is. Joe is not a process to us. He's my son, he's Marguerite's son, and he's our family. Like, it's madness. Laws have to change. It's all for the criminal. There is nothing for the victims. Like, you gave a sentence the other day in the court that effectively says Joe never existed. Like, he never got a day. He doesn't have to serve an hour for killing Joe.